How to reset school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, if your school Chromebook is registered with your school authorities, then it will be hard or almost impossible for you to reset your school Chromebook. But if it is not registered, then it will be quite easy for you. All you have to do is just simply press three buttons together: the escape, refresh and power button. You need to press these three buttons together, and after that a screen will appear. Then you need to press Ctrl plus D. This way you would be able to see a new screen. Over there, just simply enter. After that, just simply click on enter, and this way you need to enable your verification, and for that press space, and after that click on enter. This way you would be able to reset your school Chromebook, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.